If you're tired of creating the same art over and over again and you want to experiment with new styles and techniques but need to know where to start, AI generative art technology is the answer. With AI, you can explore endless possibilities and create unique and mesmerizing works of art. Stay tuned to learn how to do it.
Have you heard of Avatar AI yet? It's a revolutionary tool that lets you turn yourself into a photorealistic AI avatar. And let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. You can choose from 112 plus different styles, ranging from punk desert warrior to jungle Instagram model to video game protagonist, and let your imagination run wild. It's like becoming whoever you want to be, all with just a few clicks of a button. The process is simple. After payment, you get a link to upload your photos and start the creation process. The service uses advanced AI algorithms like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to generate avatars that look just like you but in the styles you choose. They recommend taking 10 close-up photos of your face, 3 profile shots from the side, 5 chest height photos, and 3 full-length photos. The more different your images are, the better the results will be. High-quality photos work best. And it's important to remember to look away from the camera and have a variety of facial expressions and backgrounds. And it's not just for humans. You can turn your furry friends into AI avatars too. Imagine being able to have your paid portrait in a punk desert warrior style or a jungle Instagram model. The options are endless. And if you're in a relationship, why not turn yourselves into a couple and show off your unique style to the world? The first in the world to offer AI photos, Avatar AI uses artificial intelligence to turn your small square AI avatar into a full-size 2:3 AI photo in 4K resolution. It's a great way to save time and money on an actual photo shoot, which can cost anywhere from $300 to $3,000. You can get over 120 4K AI avatars with Avatar AI for just $367. The AI visualization model used by the service, Stable Diffusion, was created by many researchers at LMU Munich and Runaway ML with the support of Emad Mostek and others at Stability AI. Meanwhile, Dream Booth, an open-source deep learning generation model, was developed by researchers such as Nathaniel Ruiz of Google Research and Boston University in 2022. It allows you to train AI visualization models to be who you are in photos, and then generate any image in any style you want. Creating your avatars takes about 46 minutes, and Avatar AI accepts payments through various methods including credit or debit cards, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Ideal, Sofort, Bancontact, Prelevi24, GeoPay, EPS, GrabPay, Alipay, and many others. But unfortunately, they do not accept PayPal or cryptocurrency and do not plan to shortly. In addition to creating AI avatars and photos, Avatar AI also offers other features that make the experience even more enjoyable. For example, users can use the built-in photo editor to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings for each avatar. This way you can fine-tune your avatars to make them look even more like you, or adjust the style to your preference. Another cool feature is the ability to create personalized animations with your AI avatars. You can use the animations as your profile pictures on social media, as a way to introduce yourself in a video, or as a fun way to share your personality with friends and family. The animations are created using a combination of AI algorithms and motion graphics, and are sure to be a hit on social media. The AI avatars and photos created by Avatar AI can also be used for various purposes. For example, an AI avatar can be the perfect solution if you're looking for a new profile picture for your social media account. They are unique, stylish, and a fun way to showcase your personality. You can also use them for professional purposes, such as creating a LinkedIn profile picture or as a professional profile photo for your resume or portfolio. Another excellent use for Avatar AI is for dating purposes. If you're looking for a new way to show off your personality and interests, why not create an AI avatar of yourself in a style that represents who you are? You can create a romantic couple's avatar with your significant other, or even a pet portrait of your furry friend. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, Avatar AI is a powerful and innovative tool that allows users to create AI avatars and photos that are photorealistic, fun, and unique. The possibilities are endless with over 112 styles to choose from and the ability to adjust your avatars with the built-in photo editor. So why not try Avatar AI today and see what kind of AI avatar or photo you can create for yourself. Have you heard of AI Photos? It's a fantastic company that uses artificial intelligence to create artfully inspiring photos. They focus on couples, but individuals can also use their services. The best part is that clients appreciate the company's mission, customer support, and design. AI Photos aims to make every photo artfully inspiring, and they do just that. For only $4.99, you can access over 150 digital images, and if you want a print-ready photo, they offer it for $7.99. There are over 50 styles for men, women, and couples. But it's not just about the photos. AI Photos uses its cutting-edge AI technology to create realistic and unique digital avatars for various contexts, like social media, games, or virtual reality environments. They offer a limited time discount of 50% off, so you can have the chance to experience an unrealistic digital representation of yourself or your significant other. And the feedback from users is fantastic. Take Ahmad Satchel, for example. He thinks it's a pretty cool app that's simple to use and creates exciting avatars in many different genres. He's even using one of AI Photos avatars and says the results are excellent. It took him a while to pick just one avatar because there were so many great options. Overall, AI Photos is worth checking out if you're looking for a fun and personalized virtual experience or just a unique digital representation of yourself or your significant other. With their advanced technology, excellent customer support, and fantastic design, you won't regret it. Highly recommend it. Whoa, the AI anime picture generator sounds like an incredibly excellent tool. As an anime fan, I see why these appeals to people, and with the ability to choose from various styles, you're only limited by your imagination. But it's just not about the result. The tool is incredibly advanced. The AI system is built on stable diffusion technology, which means it's been trained on hundreds of thousands of anime images. This gives it a deep understanding of the anime style and helps it create portraits that look incredibly lifelike. And what's even more impressive is how quickly the AI can generate all these portraits, 100 personalized images, in just 1 hour. That's pretty amazing. Of course, with such advanced technology, it's essential to ensure user data is handled properly. That's why the original photos are stored in France and fully comply with GDPR laws. And while the original pictures are removed after the generation is complete, the generated images are stored indefinitely, so you can keep your anime portrait forever. And if you have any questions or concerns, the team is just a Twitter message away. They're always there to help and ensure you get the best possible results from the tool. And the best part is you can be an anime expert or have any artistic skills to use the AI anime picture generator. All you need is a portrait photo, and you're ready to go. Just upload the image and select the style you want to use. The AI takes care of the rest, creating an anime portrait that looks just like you. But even though the AI is doing the heavy lifting, you still have some control over the final result. You can choose attributes to help the AI recognize certain features and ensure that the portrait is as accurate as possible. And if you still need more than the results, you can always tweak the attributes and try again. It's like having your anime artist at your fingertips. And what do you do with your anime portrait once you have it? You can use it as your profile picture on social media, share it with your friends, or even print it out and hang it on your wall. The possibilities are endless. But the fun doesn't have to stop there. You can experiment with different styles and photos to see what works best. You can even create anime portraits of your friends and family and have a whole collection of anime portraits to share. It's a great way to add fun and creativity to your life and explore your artistic side. So there you have it. The AI Anime Picture Generator is a powerful tool that allows you to create your anime portraits in minutes, whether you're an anime fan or just someone looking for a fun and creative way to experiment. This tool is perfect, so why not try it today and see what you can create? Have you heard about Iconify AI? It's a fantastic tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate professional-looking app icons in no time. With Iconify AI, you can beat farewell to the hassle and cost of traditional app icon design. The platform boasts many options, including a wide range of objects, colors, styles, and shapes. It also automatically creates a color palette based on your brand colors, ensuring that your icons perfectly represent your brand. And the best part, you can make up to 25 icons for just $10 or 60 icons for $20. The generated icons are high-resolution PNG images with a size of 1024 on 1024, and you'll have full ownership of the icons, including sales and copyright rights. That's right, Iconify AI gives you complete control over your icons and their usage. And if for any reason you're not completely satisfied with the generated icons, the Iconify AI team is always there to help you customize it to your liking. But wait, there's more. Iconify Icon is incredibly fast and efficient, and you can have your icons ready in less than a minute. Plus, you can create an unlimited number of icons if you have enough credits. And don't worry about the quality, as the icons appear in HD every time. Customers love Iconify for its ease of use, fast results, and ability to create icons that perfectly match their brand. It's highly recommended by users who have tried it and can vouch for its quality. And of course, Iconify AI offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. One of the best things about Iconify AI is that it's designed to cater to everyone's needs. Whether a beginner or an experienced designer, you'll find the platform easy to use and navigate. You don't need any design skills or knowledge, as Iconify AI does all the heavy lifting. With just a few clicks, your icons can be ready for use in your app or website. Another great feature of Iconify AI is the ability to preview your icons before downloading. This way, you can see exactly what your icons will look like and make any necessary changes before finalizing them. The platform also keeps track of your previous designs, so you can easily access them and make any updates if needed. In conclusion, Iconify AI is a must-have tool for anyone looking to create app icons quickly and easily. With its advanced AI technology, a vast area of options, and affordable pricing, it's the perfect solution for businesses and individuals. So go ahead and give it a try. You'll be impressed by the results and never have to worry about app icon design again. Have you heard about Memorable Ad Maker? It's the fantastic tool that's going to revolutionize the way we create ads. It's an AI-based platform that uses a technology called Creative Intelligence Suite to help marketers create impactful advertisements that are optimized for marketing KPIs, not just photorealism. Think about it. You can now create an ad with just a simple description. Or if you're feeling stuck, the ad tip guide is there to provide some inspiration. And if you want to go extra mile, the booster feature lets you choose from a selection of sample ads to give you that extra push. But that's not all. The tool even gives you predictions on how well your ad is going to perform. It predicts memorability potential, attention in context, engagement potential, and distinctiveness. And you don't have to worry about the quality of the final product. All ads are produced in high definition, with either 8K or 4K resolution options. Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a simple image generator, but an AI-powered platform that takes into consideration the marketing goals and KPIs of each ad. And let's be honest, in today's competitive market, it's all about creating ads that are not just visually appealing, but also memorable and impactful. You might be wondering, how do I use the tool? Well, it's super easy. You can input a description of the ad you want, upload an image, or use the ad cues guide. And the best part, you can create all sorts of ads, from high-quality photos of groceries to smartwatches, from smoothies to vases. The possibilities are endless. And the early adopters of this technology love it. Bauti Bariso, a marketing professional, says, "As someone who focuses on efficiency and ROI, I have to say this tool is a game changer. Even if you don't end up using the image, you can test ideas in seconds and see if it improves your performance." And Katrina K is just as thrilled. "I'm fascinated with AdMaker because it's not only a robust text-to-image generator, but also a mechanism to analyze those images for impact. It's a great AI-based tool for brainstorming and testing ideas before they go into production." In conclusion, Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that should be on every marketer's radar. It's AI-powered, user-friendly, and helps improve the final product's creative process, performance predictions, and quality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for early access and see how it can help you create impactful ads and achieve your marketing goals.